Rocket Lab has exploded higher plus 15.93% to $98.01, a historic single-session move that demands your attention. In this video we break down what is driving this and what it means. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. It is Tuesday, June 30th, and this is your complete global market briefing. Caution prevails across asset classes. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Let us start with a quick look at how the major global markets are positioned today. Starting with the major global indices. S&P 500 edged higher plus 1.18% to $7,440.43. Equity markets are responding to reports that Wall Street is getting trampled by an RE sell-off. South Korean market plunges 10%, CNN. NASDAQ 100 climbed plus 2.25% to $29,775. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Palantir joins software stock rally amid semiconductor, tech sell-off. Investors Business Daily. Dow Jones is trading higher by plus 0.59%, at $52,183. Equity markets are responding to reports that stocks rise before Micron's earnings as oil slides, markets wrap. DAX edged higher plus 1.17% to $24,914. Traders are reacting to news that Palantir joins software stock rally amid semiconductor, tech sell-off. Investors Business Daily. FTSE 100 edged higher plus 0.76% to $10,564. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Now let us turn to some of the biggest names in global equities. Rocket Lab made a dramatic move today, surged plus 15.93% to $98.01. Neutron medium-lift rocket development is the key valuation catalyst. Commercial success would dramatically expand the addressable market. Space Systems revenue is a growing, predictable revenue base. The SpaceX IPO narrative creates positive sector sentiment that benefits Rocket Lab. TSMC made a dramatic move today, surged plus 5.26% to $455.10. AI chip demand has created a demand floor that insulates TSMC from the consumer electronics cycle. High-NA EUV ramp at N2 and beyond represents a technology advantage no competitor can replicate for years. Watch the next earnings call for any commentary on 2026 capacity allocation. ASML made a dramatic move today, surged plus 4.93% to $1,883.11. High-NA EUV shipments are the growth engine. Demand from TSMC, Samsung, and Intel for the most advanced nodes is exceptional. The backlog visibility is multi-year. China export restriction risk is the key overhang. Any news on high-NA throughput improvements would be a catalyst. Alphabet surged plus 4.82% to $353.65 in a significant session. Search revenue resilience in an AI disruption environment is the primary debate. AI overviews are monetizing better than feared, and YouTube is accelerating. Google Cloud is now a credible number 3 player. The wildcard is the DOJ antitrust remedy. Any forced structural change would be a significant multiple derating event. Now let us dig into the macro picture driving these moves. Geopolitical risks remain elevated. Traders are reacting to news that Palantir joins software stock rally amid semiconductor, tech sell-off. Investors Business Daily. This is keeping traders cautious and supporting flows into defensive assets. Central bank policy is at the forefront of investor minds. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. On the data front, equity markets are responding to reports that stocks rise before Micron's earnings as oil slides, markets wrap. Turning to commodities. Brent crude edged higher to $74.07 per barrel, up 1.26% on the session. The move follows reports that stocks rise before Micron's earnings as oil slides, markets wrap. WTI crude ticked up to $70.84 per barrel, up 0.13% on the session. The move follows reports that stocks rise before Micron's earnings as oil slides, markets wrap. Natural gas edged higher to $3.21, up 1.01% on the session. Traders are reacting to news that Palantir joins software stock rally amid semiconductor, tech sell-off. Investors Business Daily. Gold ticked up to $4,032.80 per troy ounce, up 0.26% on the session. Safe haven demand is being supported by reports that gold slides as Fed stance, strong dollar outweigh safe haven demand. MSN. Let us give you our near-term view on Rocket Lab. From a momentum perspective, the next key resistance for Rocket Lab sits around $103.89. A sustained break above that level could attract further institutional buying. The main risk to the upside scenario is a shift in macro conditions or central bank tone. This is our analytical view. Always do your own research. In the currency markets, Euro to US dollar is at 1.14, gaining 0.13% on the day. Pound sterling to US dollar is at 1.32, gaining 0.3% on the day. US dollar to Japanese yen is at 162.30, gaining 0.32% on the day. The move in the dollar reflects reports that gold slides as Fed stance, strong dollar outweigh safe haven demand. MSN. Before we wrap up, here is your watch list for the sessions ahead. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. We cover every major global market, every single day. If this kind of daily, actionable analysis is useful to you, please support us with a like and subscribe. It takes 2 seconds and it means a great deal to this channel. Share this with anyone who invests or trades, they will thank you for it. Thanks for watching MTRS_Market Pulse. Nothing here constitutes financial advice. Please conduct your own due diligence. Good luck in the markets, and we will see you in the next video. That is your full global market briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe and turn on notifications for daily updates.